join me here on a very crisp January morning. It's the day of recording, it's Saturday the 6th of January. We're actually here at the Swanage Railway. I've got the T3 here next to me as we get ready for this year's winter warm-up gala. So come with me on another British Rail adventure as we look in day in the life with a cleaner on the... Now, first thing in the morning, one of my jobs as a cleaner, well, I'm the first one here so far, is to get the engines ready for service. This means cleaning them down, make sure their motion and everything is all clean, using a paraffin and oil mix. I'm not too sure what to use for cleaning the T3's paintwork because I don't want to damage it, as it's all beautifully hand painted. And this is the oldest working steam engine here on the Swanage Railway. She hasn't been, as of when she came back in service, she hadn't run for 75 years, and she's recently just managed to pull a 5-coach train under her power, so it's going to be very exciting to see her run today. She's going to be on a mixture of passenger and freight workings. She's going to be pulling trains up to Norden, and with the freight service she'll be pulling the dogfish wagons and turbots that keep between here and Corf. Now the engine itself is just beautiful in this LSWR green. You can see here the coat of arms for the London and South West, and this is beautifully hand painted on here, and then number 563 worn lovingly on her cab. But not really much for me to say now, so I'm going to get cleaned, ready for service, and then the other duty later on is clean the pit once she's moved, and then we can see what other duties need doing on the shed, and maybe see a few more trains passing by. This episode won't have the full running of the line. This is just an introduction about what I do here on the railway, because I love working here. I haven't been able to get down as much as I like to, but it's nice to finally be able to come back and do something I'm really passionate about. So I'll stop waffling on, get on with the cleaning, and I'll see you all a bit later on. Brake bar behind the T3 on the first brake run of the year. Now I know I said we're going to get the line running in, but this is the line straight, we'll be on the fitting, so we're going for a ride. Turntable, headstone and the T3 ready for the service. Now you can see the train coming in and out. It's a very steamy locomotive. It's brilliant. The oldest running steam engine that's wanted by ever steam. Sorry about taking down, there's something I can do about that. Yeah, this is absolutely great to drive off. If you want to come along the line, I'm listening to the troops below, from the railway side, which is the city to ride on our other train. It's time-saving information. If you want to come help out, you can sign up to be a volunteer. There is also a little loan for the State Railway Appeal. But if you want to see more, let me know. We're around this sometime in the future. We just come for our first station home to the West Salt Valley of Steam, and the passengers in the services.
Well, the best trial is to get there on a travel service between 24 and the rest of the run class. But when we get back, you're going to see a bit more footage of the T3, and we'll see you when we get back to Swanage.
So we're now here at Norden, at the other end of the Swanage line, just waiting for the T3 to run round to the front of the train. And now we form the rear of the consist. If you do want to come out here to the Swanage Railway, you can come by car, of course, park here at Norden and catch the train in. But alternatively, if you're coming by bus, if you're coming from Bournemouth, you've got the number 50. If you're coming from Poole, you've got the 4-yard link. There'll be a link at the top right for on the more buses 40 and 50. So if you want a bit more information there, you can. On certain days in the summer, if we do run them again this year, there will be a rail link service with the DMU between Wareham and Swanage. For that, you'll need to travel on the South Western Railway to get to Wareham. Apart from that, you just hop straight on at Swanage. Well, Wareham for Swanage. But yeah, today's engines that are out, we've got the T3, which is the engine pulling our train now, number 563. You have the two Cromptons, which are 33111 and 33012, if memory serves me correctly. And you have rebuilt West Country Class 34028 Eddystone running today. Now this is for tomorrow as well, tomorrow at the time of recording, as we are on our winter warm-up gala. So it should be today by the time this goes out. So if you do see this video on the day and you can make it down, come down for a ride. Tickets and links obviously be in the description. And yeah, if you do love steam trains or know anyone that does, recommend the Swanage Railway. The way we put it is you come and park your car, you go to a castle, via a campsite, and then to the seaside. But enough of me waffling on. Let's get back towards Swanage and we'll see you back down the line. Swanage section now for the final time tonight. We've got 33111 pulling our freight train now. It's been a lovely day here on the Swanage Railway. It's starting to get dark now, so we're going from dark to dark. But I hope to see you all in the next episode of British Rail Adventures. I've been your presenter Aaron, and I hope you've enjoyed a day on the Swanage Railway. See you on the next adventure.